Aren't you sick of sitting here being like, oh my god, I wish I had this, I wish I had that, and you're still not getting it? Come back to this video in 1 year from now and comment if you have manifested your goals from what I'm about to tell you. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla. I'm super excited for today's video because it is how to actually manifest your dreams and goals for 2023. I've seen a lot of videos going around about this subject. Of course, it's the new year. Of course, everyone's making goals and vision boards, you know, manifesting, which is great. I love to see it. But some of the videos I watched just wasn't getting to the core of what manifesting actually is. And I'm here to tell you it is a lot simpler than what some people are kind of making it out to be. At least in my eyes. I think it's pretty simple because I've done it. And with that being said, once you manifest something, it is easier to trust the universe and easier to trust yourself that you can manifest something else. I want to teach you guys how to actually manifest your goals. Now, I want you to envision one thing that you want to manifest, because when you think about a lot, we're just overwhelmed. So think about one thing and then you can apply this to every other thing that you want to manifest for the new year. Imagine that thing becoming your reality. First step is doing a meditation. There's tons of meditations on YouTube. I think it's important to find one that you actually vibe with because everybody's different. I can't do like British accents or I'll start laughing. I don't know why. I love hearing British accents, but I can't do it in a meditation. That's just me personally. Some people might like that. You know, everybody is different, so I don't really want to recommend anything, but find a meditation on YouTube that works best for you. I would search manifestation meditation or even something like meditation and then the specific thing that you want. And that meditation should guide you to feeling as if you already have it and not necessarily wanting it anymore. We want to get you out of the want because want means lack. We want to get you to the point where you're feeling as if you have it. Before I was sitting in my dream car, this Tesla, I felt as if I had it every single night before bed. I would write in my journal and I would script and say, I'm so thankful for my Tesla, da 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 da. What the fuck? Guys, my nail just fell off and I actually don't know where it went. We're gonna find it later. No, I'm nailless. You can go watch my scripting video of how to script. I think that's probably the #1 way that I've manifested everything in my life for me personally, so you could go ahead and watch that if you wanted. It doesn't just stop there. You can meditate, you can script, but what are you doing in your daily life? I don't want you to think about your goal in your daily life. Only a little bit. Only a little bit, and I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna use my Tesla as an example because this has actually come true, and I think this is the biggest thing I've ever manifested that I really didn't think was gonna come true at first. When I saw Teslas, I looked at it as like such a luxurious vehicle. I would never be able to have that, and I thought that because I didn't see myself worthy of having one. And there were so many things that went into it, but I'm gonna use my Tesla as an example. So every day when I was doing my daily tasks, do you think I was like, Tesla, 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 Tesla? No. Me actually having it, I don't think about it like that now. Now that I have it, when I'm driving it, I am saying, oh my gosh, I'm so grateful I have this car. Like here and there, you know, like throughout the day, if I'm driving, I'm like, oh, so happy, so blessed, so thankful. When I'm inside doing house chores or if I'm doing my work or whatever, I'm not thinking about my Tesla. I'm just not. Like, if I'm not in the Tesla, I'm not thinking about it. So make it more natural. Don't make it like forced. Think about it here and there. I think a good way to think about it is to put it on a vision board. I'll leave a video link down below. Me and Haruki made vision boards. It's over on his channel of like how to do it and stuff. So you could look up other videos as well. But I would suggest making a vision board and placing that somewhere where you see it every single day. That way you're still reminded of it. I also had the wheel of this Tesla on my home screen of my phone for an entire year before I got it, and now I have a house as my home screen on my phone. The #1 way you are going to manifest all of your goals, and here is the key. I'm gonna tell you it right now. So now that you've done the meditation and you've figured out what it feels like to have that thing that you so badly want, and you have scripted and you have felt these emotions, think of the emotion or emotions that you felt during those meditations. Think of the emotions that you would feel if you had said thing. Live with that emotion every single day of your life. Don't necessarily think about the thing that you want, but just live with that emotion and other things. Yes, I'm grateful for the Tesla and I feel so happy and safe in the Tesla, but when I didn't have the Tesla, I found those emotions and other things in my life and other aspects in my life. Even if I couldn't, I would meditate on it. I would just feel so safe and not think about the Tesla as much, but just feel the emotions that I would feel if I already had it, because emotions and feelings are so much powerful than thinking on a surface level. The two main things I would say that goes into manifestation is feeling as if it's already happened and assuming. Law of attraction and law of assumption combined, as well as action towards the goal. And I know you don't want to hear that, but that's the reality. That's how you manifest. And think about the thing that you want and the person you would be if you had said thing. What would you be doing on an everyday basis if you were that person? So let's say I'm gonna work out, right? Like, I feel like everyone always has like this goal of like working out for the new year, but they don't stick with it. I'm guilty too. What would the person who is extremely fit, extremely healthy, what would they be doing on an everyday basis? Don't think about the outcome. Think about right now in the present moment. The only thing that you have control over is right now. You do not have control over the future. You do not have control over your past. You have control over right now in this present moment, and right now in this present moment is going to lead up to your future and going to create your future. So what can you do right now that will set you up for reaching that goal? So if you want to be fit, if you want to be healthy, you would be eating healthy every single day. You would be going to the gym very consistently. What type of workouts would you be doing? Feeling as if and the actions of what you would be doing every single day to move towards that goal. Even if you have to write it down on a piece of paper of how you would feel, you know, to remind yourself and look at it every day. And also the actions that you would be taking if you were that person already. I always envision my higher self and what I want her to look like, be like, and I'm like, okay, what would she be doing right now? And then I do what she would be doing. You know, it's hard to do all the time. It takes practice, but you'll get the hang of it. So if you have to write it down on a piece of paper and look at it every single morning of, okay, what would my higher self do today? Then do that. When you mix the action with the feeling as if it's already happened and the feeling of gratitude and the feelings you would feel if you had what you wanted, you will get it 10 times faster. I promise you. Mix those two together. Assume that it's already there. It will be. Let me let you in on a little secret. It is there waiting for you. Think of the universe literally holding their hands like this, you know? Okay, you want this? You want it? I'm not sure. You want it? Are you sure? Are you sure? They have it in their hands. They're just waiting for you to be in alignment in order to grab it. You're not in alignment yet. If you were in alignment, you would already have it. Think of the things that you have to do to get in alignment with your goals. Do the damn thing. If you want a fit body, if you want to be healthy, there are steps that you are going to need to take in order to do that. If you want your dream car, there are steps to take in order for you to get that. I think some people have this expectation of manifestation that you're just gonna get it by sitting on the couch, watching TV, and just literally feeling like you have it already. It doesn't work like that. You need to mix the action in with the feelings, and then you will get it. You're not gonna get it just by thinking about it. I'm sorry, that's just not how it works. I know you don't want to hear that, but this might be the reality check that you need. In order to manifest all of your dreams and desires, you are going to need to put the work into it. Does that mean hard work? Maybe not. It's up to you to determine that. If you want something in life, you are the only person that is stopping you. With that being said, that should empower you and inspire you 10 times more, because once you get out of your way, all the other obstacles will just, you know, and the universe will present to you what you've been wanting all along. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you would like me to make more videos like this. Also, I would love to hear your goals and stuff that you want to manifest in the comments below. It would be a great practice to write in the comments what you do on an everyday basis and what you're gonna start doing, what you're doing, you know? Like, write it in the present tense as if you already do those things. Write down how you feel every single day and that you have what you want right now, if you catch my drift. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Now I gotta find my nail.